Come on, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a hair sponsorship. I know you guys love to see these hair looks. I want to let you guys know how I install finally. I haven't had a video where I install the hair. The sponsorship today is by Modern Show Hair Store. Let me tell you, I pulled this out the package and I was literally stunned. This is a 150 density, which I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look 150 density. It looks fuller. She's giving thick. And it is a glueless wig. I'm gonna go ahead and customize this a little bit more. This is how the lace comes, and ladies, this is cute. This is a water wet, and I'm so excited because I've never had a water wet unit and I've always wanted one. So it came with a little goodie bag here, and I love when brands do this for me because I really be needing these things. Like, I need a wig cap. I was literally gonna just freeball it. Edge brush here, and I really love when they do this because I don't know what it is. Like, I really love goodies. Also comes with this cute little hair clip. I love when brands do this. I use my good old got to be glues for my hair installs. I always do. I'm gonna change it up one day, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I take my edge glue and I pretty much just line it along the sides of my hair, and I comb back all my baby hairs. You know, I don't really care if it turns white or anything, because I have a lot of baby hairs. It's crazy. Like this, you think this is bad? My hair, I had to wax. I had to wax some of this off and some of this off because my hair, my edges literally touch my eyebrows. I'm not even joking. I just line it along the perimeter of my hair so I can get each individual hair to be slicked back. Just so it's not in the way for when I'm installing my actual hair. And I just do this like that. And then it's dirty. It's Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the color Deep. And look at how it is. It's like literally the color of my skin. And I just line that on my edges because, as you can see, all my edges do not stick into where it's supposed to stick into. It just doesn't do it for me. So yeah, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pluck my lace. I have mentioned in a previous video how I pluck my lace. If you guys want to see more in-depth detail of how I pluck my lace, go ahead and comment down below if you guys want to see that. But I'm going to go do that, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the install. So now guys, I am finished plucking the lace. So this is how the lace looks. It's just very subtly plucked it. I didn't want something too crazy. And I'm going to go ahead and put some Gotspeed on my head now. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair for about 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, just enough until it gets tacky, and I will be right back. So you see how this part is like not on my edge? I need this to be like right here. This is the thing about little foreheads. Like, I need it to stay like this. And just enough right here to just cut it like that. And all the areas it needs to be sprayed right now. I like to have it really tight to where I get a headache. I'm just going to spray it in all the areas it needs to be glued down a little bit more. No! My makeup! And then I'm gonna go ahead and rewrap it and I'll come back. So hey guys, sorry about the change of scenery. What I'm gonna be, I had to move over here so that you guys can see what I actually do to lay the hair a little bit flatter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section out just like a part or two. And then I will be applying this here. For me to finger comb my entire hair, and this is the only little piece of shedding here, is actually really crazy. Guys, this is bomb. I love this. I really love this wig. It is super, super, super natural. I kept the part a little bit like natural, messy, like it's not like a straight line, and it just looks so natural. And I like this look. This is how the side looks. Now, this is my fault. I did not cut the lace correctly back here to where you can't see that part. But don't worry about it, girl. We're gonna wear this like a 4x4. It's really thick. Like, I love the thickness of this wig. It's super thick. Really love this wig. It is giving super natural. It's giving super cute. Girl, like, I'm about to go take pictures right now. You can wear it frizzy if you want to. I just wet it because I wanted it to be like water wet. I think I'm gonna add some layers in it. I'm gonna cut it a little bit in the front to where it's shorter. But other than that, this is super, super cute, and I highly suggest this wig. The texture, the quality is on point, and on top of that, minimal shedding, like barely any shedding when I was combing through with my fingers, which I really, really like, and I don't usually see with curly hair. And I think I overly plucked a little bit right here. You could fix that with some black powder. Come on, come on. Super natural. It's super summer. Like, summer's right around the corner, y'all. Like, y'all need to go cop this wig. Girl, this is so pretty. This is definitely the vacation vibes. This is definitely summer vibe. This is even spring break vibes. Like, you have to go get you this. The hairline is super natural. I did use glue. I know it's glueless, but super natural for the hairline. Easy to work with, easy to style. Like, I can't see. It is super melted right now and just super like giving. I really am in love with this wig. So thank you so much, Modern Show Hair, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you do like this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. All right, bye.